Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to remove and replace the battery on a 2005 Ford Escape. This video applies to Ford Escapes made from 2001 all the way up to 2007. Battery is located under the front hood, right here on the driver's side. So first you'll have to remove the battery holder, which is on top of the battery, and it's holding the battery so it doesn't move while you drive. So you have two 10mm screws, one is here and other one is right here, and you'll need a deep socket or a wrench key. Okay, so once you have both of these nuts off, you can leave the battery holder straight up. Okay, and the next thing to do is just remove the battery terminals from battery poles. So you'll have an 8mm screw right here on the negative battery pole and 8mm screw on the positive one. Always make sure to first remove the negative one and then the positive one. Okay, so that's it. Once this is done, you can just leave the battery straight up and replace it with a new one. If a battery wasn't replaced for a long period of time, sometimes these terminals can get stuck on the battery poles. Then try using the like a flat screwdriver and try to pry it underneath, and then just wiggle it left and right until you are able to lift it up. Also, make sure before installing new battery to clean these battery terminals real good. You can use something like a wire brush so there is no any rust or debris on these terminals, and then once you install the new battery it sits nice and tight so you don't have any problems in the future. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.